Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Okay, so right now, and as we spoke about earlier, there was that problem of Banggood.com, right? Banggood.com is the official Banggood website, okay? But there's a single problem, is that when you're shipping products from a country outside of Europe to Europe, people are going to actually pay more money, right? They're going to pay anywhere in between 20 to 22 euros in extra fees, extra custom fees. And some people might not even get their products out of customs. And so there is another version of Banggood, which is banggood.eu, right? Banggood.eu. Now here I can see this version here. So if I click here, banggood.eu, I could see that this is not absolutely a Banggood website. This might be a scammer, so I'm going to disregard that. And this is the one I want, right? So I want to click on this one here. So pay attention, pay careful attention, because sometimes scammers are really on the loose, man. You know, they would really create websites, and you can see here it says no information is available for this page, and this is certainly a spam page. This is certainly a spam, you know. So I would prefer to click this one here because of the domain authority. Yeah, and so here it says Banggood EU warehouse. So this is we are on the correct website. Okay, so here you can select the country from which you want to ship to. You know, let's say that you want to ship to Belgium, for example, right? So Belgium, and here you can actually filter the products by top seller. You only need to click on the product and the products will be shown. So as a demonstration, guys, pay careful attention to what you're clicking on. So sometimes you might think you're clicking on the right website, but it's definitely not the right website most of the times. What spammers do is that they create websites with the same name. You know, sometimes they might remove a G from here instead of bang double G double O. They might just create a website with bang with one G, and people do not really pay careful attention, and they're just clicking on stuff. And so you might end up clicking on a link such as this. And what allowed me to actually know that this website is a spammer is because I have the Keywords Everywhere extension. Okay, so go ahead and download it. It gives you access to learn about the domain authority of a specific website. So here I can see the domain authority of this website is 9 on a scale of 100, which is very low, considering that Banggood is a very big website, because here another Banggood extension is with 90, right, domain authority. So this is clearly a scammer, and please do not fall prey to that, right? So do not fall prey to these scammers, right? So when you want to know whether it is Banggood.eu, this is how it starts: EU warehouse, and that's it. And you need to see Banggood European warehouse, and it needs to look legit, right? So here is Banggood, and so here, when you're shipping from this particular website to another European countries, normally people in those countries should not face any problems. Okay, so they should not face any problems. For example, if they want to buy this particular keyboard, they do not need to pay any money, you know, anything extra, right? So they can just pay the money. And you can also see that the currency is in euros. By the way, you can change the currency. If you click here, for example, you can change the currency from euro to dollars. So if you want to compare the price in dollars. And also here you get an idea about the shipping. And also, if you're interested in free shipping, you can just type in here free shipping, right? So type free shipping, and it will show you products with free shipping on them. So all right, so here free shipping, you can find anything. So I'm gonna go back to the categories, for example, the sports here. Let's see the filter on this website. All right, so here you can sort these things. It's similar to the other website, which is banggood.com. It's just that this is particularly good when you are dropshipping to countries in the European nation. So hope that explains it for you guys. And right now, let's move on to another extension of Banggood to sum this up, or to sum this section up, which is Banggood USA.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.